our heirloom zucchini. Had to move them. These flowers are looking good here. So we got lots of new buds for flowers. This is our pear tomato plant. It's a yellow pear tomato plant. Got some green tomatoes. Plenty of them. Do got our zucchini with a couple of flowers, y'all. And our tomato plant here is huge. We got some tomatoes that have finally turned red. Got a heavy stalk. See all the way over there. With plenty of tomatoes on it. Trying to grow it all into the house. Got our Thai basil plant. I need to pluck the purple flowers off because it's went to seed. I need to pluck that so we can keep it healthy and growing. And our humongous pineapple sage plant. Humongous. Look at that. Our okra died out down there. The other plants are covering up all the sunlight. So that's what we got sprouting this week. Vegetable garden. Again. So we got sprouting this week in the vegetable garden. It's your girl Jack from Soledad's Fresh Market. Catch y'all on the next video.